Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal at home. To begin, gather your rolled oats and your chosen liquid, like water or milk. The key is a simple 1:2 ratio of oats to liquid for a creamy texture. Combine them in a saucepan and bring to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Stir occasionally until it reaches your desired consistency. For the best results, always choose rolled oats, as they offer a wonderful texture that's neither too mushy nor too chewy. You can use either water or milk. Milk will give you a richer, creamier oatmeal. Remember that crucial 1:2 ratio of oats to liquid. For a single serving, start with 1/2 cup of oats. Start by combining your measured oats and liquid in a small saucepan. Place it over medium-high heat and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Once boiling, immediately reduce the heat to low and let it simmer. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally to ensure even cooking and prevent any sticking to the bottom of the pan. Once your oatmeal reaches your preferred thickness, remove it from the heat and let it rest for a minute or two. A small pinch of salt really enhances the flavor. Now, it's time to customize. Sweeten with a drizzle of honey or maple syrup and add your favorite toppings like fresh fruit, crunchy nuts, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Enjoy your perfect bowl.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.